to the land far away. As I look out into the sky, I see it today. Look at it. Just look at it. You know what's out there? Fucking trees. Fucking the road. I've been driving this fucking road. Gosh damn. Years. Fucking years. Yeah, same thing. Same trees. Same birds. I don't know if it's the same birds or not. I don't even know if it's the same trees. I'm assuming they are the same trees. Years. I'm 44, I think. I don't remember a whole lot. Whoa, bro! You see that fucking bird? I don't even know if I caught that shit. I ain't gonna try to zoom in, but that was nuts, dude. That dude came down and tried to take out the truck. It was like a pterodactyl came through and was gonna pick up the fucking truck. Ah!